Okay, today take a look at the Acer 5-in-1 USB 3.0 hub. So what immediately makes this one stand out to me is this nice long cord. Most hubs like this do not have a cable of this size. This is about 2 feet. Where that can come in handy is if you need to plug this into a laptop, where the shorter cables feel a little bit more stiff. This one is going to be a lot more flexible, so you can kind of put that wherever the heck you want to. You can see we got 4 USB-A ports and we have a power delivery port. So this is an input, this is not an output. Now what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to turn all of these ports into powered ports. So you don't have to rely on the draw from the laptop in order to supply power. So where that can come in handy is I can plug a charger into here, and then I can use this as a charger for my phone. And because this has 4 ports, I could charge 4 things all at once. So I only have to have my laptop out in order to charge everything. And it also looks like we have a little light right here so that we know this thing actually has power. So that's nice. So I'm going to plug in a thumb drive. My laptop uses USB-C, so I'm just going to use an adapter for that. There we go. Picks it up automatically. So let's go ahead and do a speed test. Okay, so that's about done. We are looking at about 450 megabytes per second read, 455 on the write, so that is right about what I expect from a USB 3.0 drive. So yeah, with the 4 ports that you get from this, and plus having the power delivery, so we can supply power to those ports, I think just having that extra long cable on here is very nice. Overall, this is a very nice hub.